Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to do recipe number 3. So with the first one, for onions, we would open bracket and then get $3.50 divided by 3 because there's 3 each in 1 kilogram, and simply multiply it by 75 each, and that should give you $80, $87.50. So for the assorted cookies, we would simply get for each packet. So I multiplied 75 by 3 cookies. So that will equal 225 cookies, close bracket, then multiply $23.18 and divided by 300 cookies assorted. And that should equal $17.39. For the next one, chicken diced, you would simply get $37.88 divided by 10 kilograms. Always remember to put in close brackets. $10 kilograms. Then you would just simply multiply 375 ounces, but you need to convert it into kilograms or basically match it. So this one says 375 ounces to kilograms. So what I did here is 375 ounces, multiply that by 30 grams. That's basically a hard conversion. Then simply divide 1000 grams to simply put it as kilograms. So all in total, it would be 11.25 kilograms. That would equal $42.62. For the instant coffee, we would just open bracket and take $18.50, and you would just multiply 42 times 39 grams, so that would equal 1,638 grams, close bracket, then simply multiply by 2,925 grams, and that would equal $33.04. So for costing for one, you would simply get the previous ingredients, so $87.50 divided by 75, and you would put F4, absolute cell referencing, equals this $1.17, and on my calculator it shows me $1.16. So what I would do, put this in brackets and put round down and put a comma 2 over here at the end, and that should give me the exact answer. We'll drag it all the way down over here and we'll fill it in. And same thing for this, for 130, so 116, multiply that 130, F4, that should give you this, $100 and 150 and 80 cents. Drag it down, it will fill in the blank. Same thing for 135, get the costing for one, multiply that by 375, 4, so I can tell like the Excel that is okay to put it in each equation. There you go. You would get all the answers for each ingredient and each costing. So for the second part of the recipe costing, so we would go to frozen vegetables. So what I did here is I put 15 cups, then multiply that by 250 milliliters because that is how much is in 1 cup hard conversion. Then multiply by the weight equivalency, so 275 grams divided by 225 milliliters. Then multiply $11.83 by 4.5 pounds, but I converted into grams. So what I did here is put 4.5 pounds divided by 2.2 kilograms, then multiply by 1000 grams, and that would equal 2045.45, and that would give you the answer. But in the calculator, it showed you something different, so I put the round down function and put all the equation in one bracket and put a comma 2 at the end. So that would give you $26.50. Then for the chicken stock, what I did is I put everything in one bracket because it didn't show me the same answer on the calculator. So I put $25.25 divided by 4 liters because 2 times 2 equals 4 liters. Then I would multiply that by the fluid ounce, but it the functions won't match. So because it's fluid ounce and liters, so what I did is I convert the fluid ounce to liters. So what I did is 12,000 1,250 fluid ounce times 30 ml hard conversion, and that would equal 37,500, and then I would divide it by 1,000, and that would equal 37.5, and I would put a comma 2 and a round down function, and that would give me $200.36, $236.71. So for the red kidney beans, so what I did is I took the 8 cups and I multiplied that 200 with 250 milliliters because there is 250 milliliters in 1 cup hard conversion. Then I multiplied by 1.2 kilograms by 1 liter, but the functions does not match. So I converted 1 liter to milliliters, so 1000 milliliters. Then I multiplied by 25.7 cents, 70 cents, and I divided by 8.4 kilograms. So 2 times 4.2 equals 8.4, and that will give me the answer of $7.34. So for the oranges, we would simply get 1,250 milliliters and multiply it by the weight equivalency of 275 grams and 225 milliliters, close bracket, then multiply, open bracket, and get $25.50, then divided by 600 ounces, but the functions do not match, so I would convert ounces to grams. So what I do is 600 ounces times 300 grams hard conversion. So that would equal 18,000 close bracket, and that would give me $2.16. So for the total cost for the ingredients, so I would put the auto sum and put it in a bracket, get all these cells, that close bracket, and that would give me $200 and $272.72. And to cost for the total waste, it would be the cost of the ingredients, then multiplied by 0.06%, and that would give us $16.36. So for the overall cost, you would get the total cost of the ingredients, then add the 6% of the waste, and that will give us $289.08. And then for the selling price, you get $100 divided by 35%, close bracket, then multiply the total food cost. Yeah, the total food cost, just put the equal sign. And that would equal $825.94. So for the costing for one, we would get the ingredients from the 50, the cost of ingredients, and then just divide it by 50 for the F4 function and the absolute cell referencing. Just drag it down, we get the answer. And same thing over here, you got this, and divided by 50, you'll get the same exact answer for function. And just drag it down, and you get the same answer. Now for the 260, you would get the costing for one, then multiply by 260, then put the F4 function, you get $137.80. Just drag it down, get all the answers, and same thing, get the costing for the one, and then multiply it by 260, F4 function, just drag it down. Same exact thing for the 720. Get the costing for one, multiply that by 720, put the F function, drag it down, and just get the multiply that by 720, put the F function, and drag it down. So this is how to do the recipe 3 for the costing for the recipe. Thank you for listening.